love this bracelet my aunt got me from Bobble Bar. So cute. It is 9:05. For magic hours, so we missed the fireworks, but that's okay. He's only 5 minutes. We're doing it. This is our first of the night. Yay! We just got here, and we figured this is the best way to start our night at Magic Kingdom. Was with you. It was only 5 minutes. And thank you so much for the fireworks. I appreciate the warm welcome. You're the best. Can we step in and have pictures with you? Oh, this is the spring break crowd. Listen, this is insanity. This is why I do not come into the parks during the day during spring break. Why it pays to stay deluxe, because then you have deluxe magic hours and you are not fighting these crowds. So, that's a lesson learned. There she is, no more pink. She's actually gray, she's gray again, but we can't see it very well at night. It says 20 minutes, but I highly doubt this is gonna be a 20-minute wait. I was today years old when I realized that this is Eeyore's Gloomy Place out.
I got the measles. No, sneezels. Yeah, two.
Because we never.
Please not.
Magic hours haven't even started yet, and I think this only took us 10 minutes to wait in line, so trying to get a few things done.
Photo bomb.
On the Acre Wood, the east wind traded places with west
So we are going to jump in line for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train because it's only a posted 35-minute wait. So let's see if it's really 35 minutes. Now 11 o'clock, we are in magic hours, so hopefully we've already gotten Mickey Mouse done. We've gotten, why did I feel it? We've gotten Winnie the Pooh, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which it was definitely a 35-minute wait for sure. And now we're just gonna go see what else we can do. As suspected, Little Mermaid is a walk-on. Hi. Clamshell.
Ah, what a voice. What a beautiful voice.
What a voice!
Let me tell you how that evil sea witch tricked Ariel's voice away from her. Wait a minute. What kind of...
Let me tell you
Ariel...
how that evil sea witch tricked Ariel. Ready? Oh wait. We're about to go into the sea. Under the sea. everything is practically a walk-on other than Astro Orbiters. Let me see, I want to say TRON. I mean, Winnie the Pooh is about 15 minutes, Peter Pan's 30, and that's about it. Everything else is Space Mountain's 5 minutes. Tiana's is closed, but TRON is 70. Everything else is 5 minutes. So honestly, you can get so much done during deluxe hours that it would be silly not to stay deluxe to take advantage of these wait times. It's spring break, and you wouldn't see these wait times ever. We'll see you guys after the ride. Farewell. Adios. Ciao. That is so cool. Well, I guess we're gonna have to bite the bullet and do Peter Pan's flight and wait 30 minutes. Actually don't mind this because I never get to go through this queue, and it is the cutest queue probably in Disney, in my opinion. Hi, Nana. Oh, it's the darlings.
Oh, there she is. Look, see?
No, it
Look, it's on the wall.
usually like dings in. Woo! Here we go!
To Neverland!
And never back. Hey, pizza! Help me, Schmitty! Help me! Help me! Worth noting that we just did a photo pass with the lantern. No wait. I'm gonna insert the photo here. Another reason why you want to do deluxe hours. Now, I avoid Haunted Mansion like the plague, but it is a 5 minutes wait, which means it's a walk-on. So we're gonna walk on by it. Nothing like pirate's water to wake you up at 12 o'clock at night. A pirate's life for me. Oh, bum, 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 bum. This man tells no lies. Whoa. Creepy. I think you've all really got to lay off the Ozempic, okay? Lay off the Ozempic. It's not good for you. The best smell. You scurvy scum.
A toast to Paris and its many shiny rewards. As a career, what can be more rewarding? Drink up and be hard to shout about.
Okay, it is like 12:23 or 24. We are hightailing it over to TRON because if we can get into TRON, we've done it. We have mastered
Did it all.
deluxe hours.
Except Space Mountain.
Well, I
I had
can't.
to go single.
12:37. It's only a 30-minute wait, which I would assume is less than 30 minutes.
Hi, friends. Make sure to
walk on because I've never actually stood in line for this. I always paid for it, so I assume it's definitely 30 minutes. We did it. We got off of TRON at 1:08. We literally crushed magic hours.
Yep.
So first time we've done this in a really long time. I highly suggest coming in probably by 9 o'clock, you know, because everyone's kind of preoccupied with the fireworks and they're going to be preoccupied with the second parade if it's a night where you have the second parade. So you can get a few things done, which is what we did. We jumped in line for Winnie the Pooh. We had pictures. We did a few different pictures, which I'll insert where they belong. And then we did Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So kind of like I did it the same way I do the parties. I start the parties out just like if it starts at 7, I usually come in around 4. I'll get in line for the things that I want, like the meet and greets. But however, we did it. We rode.
did it.
So you saw we rode. I don't know. We're tired. This is not for us anymore. I'm too old for this. I'm more resort and chill kind of person.
You did good. We did what we used to do.
Yes.
We used to run to all these rides.
Run.
Run, really run.
I don't run anymore. However, definitely Deluxe Hours. You know, when you think about it, if you're staying at Universal and you get an Express Pass, that could be $250 to $300 per person per day per park. Because Epic has its own. The other one you can switch back and forth. So if you're buying Lightning Lanes at Spring Break, it was $29 per day per person. Then you have an additional single pass, which was going to cost, I think, forget the going rate at today for TRON. It had to have been more than $20 because we are in Spring Break.
I have a tip. Here's my tip. Make something to eat because all the vendors are closed. The only thing you can get is candy. And you can't get no coffee. Starbucks closes at 11 o'clock.
So all the food, yes. So you're not gonna see shows. You're not gonna get a lot of food. You're not gonna get any food offerings. So make sure you come caffeinated and fed. So those are our tips. Thanks for following along. Bye.